Welcome home to the Pebble Creek Golf Course community. Step through the entryway to be greeted with the openness of the great room and formal dining room. Follow the flow of the home to the kitchen that holds granite counters and breakfast bar overlooking the living room. This comfortable open floor plan leads your eye straight through the living room to the wall of sliding glass doors and onto the extra-large lanai. The master ensuite showcases a walk-in shower, double sinks, extra counter space and an extra-large walk-in closet. Once leaving the master bedroom, walk down the tile floor to find the other two rooms and full bathroom.